Alright, what's up guys? The new Aero exhaust is on. I got it about 180 degrees right now, so it is warmed up. Looks freaking awesome. Makes the bike look much thinner. DB killer is out. And it sounds nasty. Wow, what a difference. Okay, let's go ride it. Quick ride. It's actually not overly loud at all. Glad I took the DB killer out. Because my fz-07 was extremely loud. This is not that loud. I mean, it's deep and it sounds awesome, don't get me wrong, but it's not crazy loud, which I'm happy for. Because, oh, the fz-07 just killed my ears. Alright, well, hopefully I attached everything correctly and the exhaust doesn't fall off. I am a pull lock, so there's a good possibility something like that could happen. Good. Let me get in A mode. Oh, yes sir. Oh man. Definitely moves. I did do the block off, well, not the block off plates, but the pair block off the hose into the intake. And as you can see, I guess this guy's trying to go all up on my butt. And I heard a little backfire, but not much. That really does take care of the backfiring. Though I can't say if it did it or not beforehand, because I just went ahead and while I was putting the exhaust on, took the tank off. Actually, you don't really need to take the tank off. It's 4 bolts and a couple of the push pins, and then you can just lift the tank a little bit, and I actually stuffed some rags under it just to give me enough space to pull the hose off the bottom of the intake, and then I blocked it with a rubber cap. So seems to be good. It's so nice to be able to actually hear it too. Woo! Baby, that gets. Alright, I'm turning around up here. And get back into more city driving so I don't get a friggin' 90-mile-an-hour ticket. A little backfire, but nothing. Oh, is that a cop? No, okay. Ooh, baby. Sounds nice. Alright. people think it's super cool for it to backfire, but oh, I can't stand it. Cannot stand it. Just want to see what this will do a little bit, but I'm not trying to get a ticket, so. Ooh. That lofts right up. Oh, shit! Of course. Frickin' A. Lee County, right there. Ah, frick. Oh, hope he's not turning around. Oh, it's gonna suck balls. Alright, I think I'm okay. Every time I do something stupid, there's a cop right there. Alright, I'm going down this road. Just in case. Oh, that's just the perfect amount. Perfect amount of backfire. Alright. Let me get off the main roads here. Maybe I'm crazy, but I swear it makes A mode feel like it's smoother. Maybe because there's just a little bit less back pressure and I don't know. Feels smoother though. Or maybe I'm just getting really used to it now, I don't know. Sounds excellent, man. Love it. Let's see, where am I at here? Oh, well, nothing's on fire. Nothing's loose. Sounds pretty snifty to me. Oh yeah, that goes up even a little further than it did before. Oh my goodness, I accidentally just shifted into third too. Yeah, that lifted up a little higher than it used to. That was power only, second gear, quarter throttle. Oh yeah. Awesome. Oh, it's so hard not to be a total moron on this bike. It's just so fast. So torquey. And of course this was supposed to be like literally a 3-minute ride and I didn't put my jacket on. So I need to take it easy. Doing? Oh my gosh. Looks like they're going for a prostitutional encounter. Well, I guess I'll go home and snug everything up again and make sure nothing's falling apart or off. It's weird with the there's no real header bolts. Everything is stuck on with springs, which is weird. You got the little flanges or whatever they're called that bolt on with the stock bolts, and then you somehow maneuver the pipes into place, which actually I heard people had a lot of problems with. However, I did not. It seemed to actually go pretty smooth. I just kept everything loose and everything went right together, but it's just weird having springs hold your headers on to your motor. I mean, you know, I'm sure it's fine, obviously, but, you know, bolts seem good too. Seems to be working fine. Sounds good. I love it. I definitely love it. I've always been a twin guy, you know, with the Ducati and then the fz-07. I love the sound of that, but I definitely think I could get used to this. I mean, it sounds pretty cool. I actually was looking at footage of my old Ducati today, as a matter of fact, and no doubt 100% the fz-07 did sound better than my Ducati Hyper Motard 2013, which is the new 821 engine, I guess, when Audi took over, I guess, or Lamborghini or whatever the heck, but yeah, no doubt the fz-07 had a much deeper tone, sounded more like a real twin should than that of the more raspier Ducati Hyper Motard. But anyways, those are gone. This is here, so alright guys, thanks for watching and subscribing, appreciate it. See ya.